When it comes to LED module repair, choosing the right method makes a big difference. Today, let's break down two common techniques: flying leads and pad repair. First, flying leads, also known as jumper wire repair, is a precision method. It's typically used when only a few LEDs or signal points are damaged. This approach requires strong soldering skills and a solid understanding of the circuit. It's not the fastest method, but it's clean, reliable, and ideal for high-precision repairs. On the other hand, pad repair is what most repair shops in the US tend to use. It's faster, easier to scale, and works well when you're dealing with larger damaged areas. This method focuses on rebuilding or restoring the damaged pad area to bring the module back to working condition. However, there's a trade-off. If the repair isn't done properly or the board has already been stressed, you can run into pad lifting or delamination issues. So at the end of the day, it's not about which method is better, it's about using the right method for the right situation. For small, precise fixes, we go with flying leads. If speed and coverage matter more, pad repair gets the job done. We don't stick to one method, we choose what delivers the most reliable result.